Hello guys, here's an estimated delivery widget that displays the order date, the shipping date, and the delivered date directly on a Shopify page. As you can see, it looks clean and works without any app and can help customers know exactly when to expect their order. So let's add it to your Shopify theme. Well, there's the link in the description below that leads to this page that contains all the steps that you need to follow in order to code this widget into your Shopify theme. On your Shopify admin panel, you'll first go to online store, click on the three dots of your active theme and select edit code, and go back to the instructions manual and follow step 1, which is to copy this name of the file that we're going to create, and then click on snippets. And while the snippet is selected, press new file and paste the name of the file we just copied and press enter. And the second step would be to copy the entire code from here and then paste it inside the snippet file we just created. And the third step is to render it on your Shopify theme. We are going to do that by copying this main product.liquid and searching it here and then opening the file. Then we're going to search for when inventory. So we'll click inside the file once and press Ctrl F and then paste when inventory, and there's only one instance of it. And then we're going to copy this render code from the instructions manual and paste it above when inventory like this, and that's it. We're just going to save it, and let me show you a demo of how the widget looks on your product page. So right now it has the default values of the widget. You can change this by going inside the snippet file we just created and then changing the processing days and delivery days according to your choice. So right now it is 2 and 5, so you can change it to 1 if you take 1 day for order processing, or maybe 4 days for delivery dates, or whatever number you want. And you'll save it there and then refresh the page to see the updated values. That's it, 17, 18, and 22. That's it, guys. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more Shopify coding tutorials, conversion widgets, and theme customizations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.